I'm here for one night, how far will you go? I wanna see you.
Okay, right, so we're gonna cook some eggs, but to go with the eggs, I'm gonna show you how to make a really quick and delicious cucumber pickle. So I've ribboned half a cucumber, I've taken out the middle bit, all the seeds, we don't want that, and just, using a speed peeler. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add about a tablespoon of lemon juice. You can also use a white wine vinegar. We're just gonna add some sugar, and the sugar is just gonna counteract the acidity of the lemon. And then we're also going to add some toasted coriander seeds. So in a pan and toast them off. So I'm just gonna add a dash of olive oil. So the combination of the acidity of lemon and the sugar and some salt and a bit of olive oil is just gonna create a really quite tart kind of pickle taste. And I'm also gonna add some chilies, which I've actually properly pickled and marinated. I'm gonna add a kind of spiciness to it. Just gonna mix that through. And then with the toasted coriander seeds, it's just gonna be a really nice, quite fresh accompaniment to our eggs. While the coriander seeds are toasting and everything, I'm going to talk you through the tahini dressing. So here I've just literally added a pinch of cumin to about 2 tablespoons of tahini. I'm going to add a couple of drops of my favorite ingredient, which is this liquid smoke, which I've used in a couple of my other recipes before, but I want to show you kind of how versatile it is, so I'm adding a couple of drops into this. So I'm just going to mix that through like that. I'm also going to add a squeeze of lemon as well. And what this is going to be is our kind of filling for the omelette. So we're going to cook the eggs a bit in the pan, and before we fold them through, add the tahini. So when you cut through it, it's going to be nice and kind of gooey. So when you tend to add citrus or any liquid to tahini, because it's kind of oil-based, it does separate. So you can add a little bit of water if needed. Coriander seeds are done. So you can just see I've just added a touch of water. I'm just going to mix that through. So I'm just going to add 3 eggs to my bowl and then give them a whisk. I'm going to get the pan on a nice high heat, and I'm going to add a dollop of butter. I'm just going to add in my eggs now. And I'm going to use this half of the pan to cook them. So at about this point here, I'm going to add some of the tahini mixture into the omelette, and then I'm just going to fold it over like that. And kind of seal it in. I'm going to gently add my omelette onto the plate like so. And now just a bit of my pickled cucumber and chilli just on the side. Energizing, full of protein, good for after a workout. And if you have any more of the tahini, I've just added a little bit more water, drizzle it over. Finish it with a pinch of black pepper. And there you have it, my delicious post-workout smoked tahini omelette with pickled cucumber salad. I really love this recipe. I hope you guys do. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time.